Very easy sentences for beginners. Let's go. Let's go. Don't run. Don't run. Walk, please. Walk, please. Don't touch. Don't touch. Close the door. Close the door. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Good job. Good job. Do it. Do it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Go and play. Go and play. Clean it. Clean it. Never mind. Never mind. Repeat it. Repeat it. Try it. Try it. Get ready. Get ready. Get up. Get up. Give me. Give me. Go and play. Go and play. Hurry up. Hurry up. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Look at me. Look at me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.